Once again, NXP versus ENC.
Alright, here we go, man. Let's players side po ang next play dito ngayon, and the champion po dito is Disaster on the Rakan, Justchi on the let's go for Uzi first on the MF ADR, Zimich on the Camille jungler, no, Baron laner, and then Disaster on the Rakan support. We have Chuli on the Gragas mid player.
Pero all that nakap kagad. Level 1 battle, mga kaibigan. Kita mo pumatol mga membro dito ng Encore. Tapos kaya, plinash inan dalawa. Hinabol ng mabalahibo na Rakan. Tapos mabaril na Miss Fortune naman. Kaya 1 for 1, naging palitan. Here comes tusok-tusok. Uzi special. Ay, si Squishy pala. Layo na lamang mga kaibigan na inatik. That's it. No takes on the objectives. Alam nila, pabalik na rin yung buy. At happy na yung NXP. At nakabasa na rin na hindi kami papayag, sabi ng ENC. Now, for the champion rundown. Jin on EZU, mga kaibigan pa ng EDC. Moy naman para sa Aurelion Sol mid lane natin. Zero on that Alistar Siopaw support. We also have Squishy on the Fiora Baron lane. And Kaya naman para sa Bai jungle.
Tama. Alright, first blood, nakuha po ng MF kanina. And now, NXP is on a... Napakatabla lang ng gold natin ngayon.
Yes,
so it's not gonna matter that much.
Lamang lang ng 100 kasi 500 yung first blood eh. Eh yung sunod na kill parang 300 lang yata, no? Or 200, no? So, ayun lang naman. Look at here. NXP once again. Round 2. This is classic rotation for them. This is, lagi, no? First jungle. Pero iba ginawa nila Kaya. Alam nila, naramdaman nila nag-scuttler. Pero do they know? Alanganin para ng pwesto. Maraming tataman ng AoE dito. And they got one focus. Alistar rin. Flash in. Dito yung Camille para ma-finish yung kill. 4 kaagad yung NXP. Sobrang bilis. Easy you dito with the bullet. Fourth bullet ba? Kaya?
Oh no, another kill right there. Vi is gonna go down, and then Aya is gonna go down. Aurelion Sol is in trouble right here. May shield pa po ito si Camille. Alright, gamitin po yung shield ni Aurelion Sol, but man, Aurelion Sol is in trouble right here. Good stun right there. Uy! Pinakawalan.
Star Surge, papitik na Star Surge. May technique kasi yan eh. Star Surge ka sa sa sarili mo, tas itap mo lang. May stun yung nakadikit sa'yo. So, really nice. Very nice. Mula kay Easy Moy. Naku po!
Easy Mo is seeing an opening right there, takes advantage of it. He is gonna play safe. I mean, he's gonna be safe. But dito po sa taas. Alright, MF is gonna go down this time. It is NXP at the top to do the cleanup. Mamamatay rin po sa Fiora for a return kill by NXP.
Yeah, well, Fiora did pull down the Miss Fortune. At pag wala si Miss Fortune, alam natin na mag-isa yun nandito sa bot lane. And remember, the Camille, wala rin plus to si Zaynich. And EZU, along with Zero, will just go for the push down of the bot.
Tama. And this is what Encore Esports should be doing, man. They pushing, shoving, and they should be visiting like this one. Alright, makikita dito si Kaya.
Power type!
Uzi is gonna take the skill of, first skill of ultimate of the Vi right there. Good job by Vi, and Vi gets the kill.
Ininita na ng ENC, tol! Nako, that's gonna be it. Nakamil going down. Here comes Chule. Sino nga hagisan niya ng soft drinks? Or gulaman? Ay, si Kaya! Tapos ka na! Lista mo na! Hindi nga, namatay sa minions eh. Pagod na! Executed! Executed, tol!
Alright. 6-7 on the scoreboard. We're 3 minutes 28 seconds in the game. 30 seconds. Mabubuhay pa first break of the game. That is where most probably the next fight, the next flash of the game is gonna be happening. Tingnan natin. Andyan na. Nagsisimula na rotation dito. Good back timings by NXP right here. Pero malapit na dito sila Alistar and Jin eh. 15 seconds. Andyan na.
Ano ba talaga ang wild brief, tol? Pag talagang wag ka lang pagamol sa early game. Sabayan mo lang. Kaya eh. And the thing here is that okay ang sitwasyon ng Fiora, okay ang sitwasyon ng Jin natin. Ang ganda ng wave clear na to. Kung gusto tumawiin ng NXP, tumuloy-tuloy lamang nila, parusahan nila sa Dragon or kapag nagma-achieve at nagkamali talaga ng matindi, itong ENC. Here comes Juicy. Ay nako, si Moy. May flash ba to si Moy? Meron. May flash to. Okay.
Alright. Tingnan natin. Easy. Encore Esports has to be careful here. Wala pong Jin nila. Walang ultimate Trency. Zero on the Alistar. So they are at a disadvantage right here. Let's see. Oy, Dragon very low na already.
Uze.
Let's see what...
Oo, sinipa yung jungler, yung buy. Hinord, nakuha pa rin ang ating Jhin, yung ating dragon. At takbo-takbo na sila. Oy, pinagbabarel, wala naman tatamaan. Let's see here, Disaster, kumukuha ng pwesto. Tama na, takbo na. Kasi palapit na rin yung Gragas pa. Flash in, Hextech ultimation. Nasaan? Naiwan dito yung baka mabu. Tingnan natin, takbo rito. Mga membro ngayon ni sila Easy U. Kasama si Easy Moy, Easy Meal. Takbo na rin kasi they are happy already with the Drake that they've taken in.
Yes, tama. Kahit naman tayo doon ng baka, 0, man. Been a disaster for the red team dito and for esports. Magkatabi sila lahat eh.
Yes!
The Hextech ultimatum would have grouped them up and it would have been a disaster for. But good sacrifice right there by 0. Headbutt is gonna push the Camille away from the team and the team survives. He goes down, but what heroics right there, man. These are the unsung heroes of the game.
Well, yes, and also, Leoric, ano din, bumilis na yung ENC. Alam mo yon?
Yes.
Hindi na sila babagal-bagal, pero konting bilis pa eh. Kasi
Tama,
bilis
tama.
lang nila ngayon yung NXP. Actually, ang bilis nila dito sa Drake. That was really nice, no? Very good execution by Juicy and disabling the Vi. Fully combo onto him, tas hinold pa. Pero ang nag-hold kay Lee Sin is actually the Vi nung kinounter niya ng Assault and Battery. Tas nalasit yung Drake ni Jhin. Pero, nahabol pa sila ng konti eh, dito. Diba?
Tama. Muli pa sila makat doon.
Yeah, they need to be a bit more fast. They need to be a bit more fast para hindi na sila ma-trade ng ganon-ganon. But NXP here, nako, isang mali lang talaga ng ENC. Lista mo na, nagpapakaramdaman. Alam ni Zero, nadedetect siya. Ay, huli ka, Betchin!
Oh no, the Jhin!
Miss Fortune, yatat na yan mga tol. Babaril-barilin niya ni Eugene, pa-flash in. Pero let's hear, will the quickness be enough? There is the barrier para kay Uze. Uze, reporting commercial, buhay pa rin. Hinahabol ni Zero dito, yun na yung mali. Naku po, ENC's collapse, God, can get the final kill. Tinapos niya si Report Boy, si Boy Commercial. Easy Boy dito. Ay, Easy yung ang galing. Under turret na gold. Pagod na nga. Let's see here. Wala na. That's it. Let's see ngayon. Meron pa ulit. Si Squishy naman. May natitira pa ba? Nakakap na ginawa dito. And let's see here. Squishy is fully online with the cooldowns here. He wants to cast his own ultimate. Ang aga ng reposte. Reposte tol. Kaya ba maiproc yung ultimate? Pero hindi na. That's it. And NXP takes the win against ENC. Although hindi sila pwede mag-herald kasi aabutan sila ng buy.
Man, what a fight, man. Ang gulo eh. Parang, tara, 5-on-5 tayo sa CR. Walang atras. Ubusan ng lahi eh. Man, easy Encore Esports, man. Composure, you have to take calculated fights here. If you're in a disadvantage, try to move out, try to disengage, try to live another day. At ito po, magkakaklash po ulit dito. MF, Uzi, good ultimate right there, but Uzi is gonna be focused on on his ass right there. He is gonna go down. MF going down at the very early part of the game. Pero okay lang, si Jhin naman did go down.
Oh my God!
Oy, dito! Si Camille is gonna be stunned. Push right there by the Alistar. It is gonna be Solo who is gonna go down. Lee Sin is gonna be able to survive right there.
Kaya dyan pa!
Dito.
Kaya ba? Kaya ba ni Kaya?
Fully right there is gonna be very good. And it is gonna reverse the situation. It is gonna be
numinipis. Blue team, NXP, numinipis ang sitwasyon dito para sa side ng ENC. Pero buhay pa naman si Kaya. May ult nga ba't kung kaya niyang may contest itong Herald. Nako, lumapit nga, nag-suicide. Hindi kinaya, and that's it. Herald to be taken in by the members of NXP. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil kung palagay nyo, ang daming laban na magaganap. Yes, there will be another one dito naman sa may Cloud Drake.
Yes, Cloud Drake is gonna spawn in the next 25 seconds of the game. Pero man, it is Blue Team, Next Play Esports coming on top of those clashes, and those tiny wins are adding up. And look at that, they already a 4K gold lead 8 minutes into the game. That is gonna be something. Looking forward into the next Dragon, they can use that advantage right here and pressure easy. Encore Esports right here. Pero hindi magpapaano si Encore Esports dito ha. They are gonna be going for the Dragon. Mauuna sila dito. Alright, there the backlines. Eto po, Hextech ultimatum on the team. Big ultimate right there by MF is gonna put all the damage into the team, and because of that,
that's it. That might be a very dangerous take kasi hindi lang Drake, pati inner mid pwede nilang makuha, lalo na meron ding Herald na nagpupush. As you can actually see how NXP was able to place a very well-timed bullet time in the face of ENC. Ganda na nung laban, pero eto na naman, yung manibela kinuha ulit ng NXP.
Pinakinggan nyo ba si Uzi kanina? MF? That was basically it, man. That is how you win games, and Uzi showed to you in English nga lang, and here it is.
Oh my God.
Ultimate by Jin to push everyone out. It's gonna be good. Next play is gonna be disengaging here. And Jinbu, right, status update tayo, man.
Well, right now for the current items or situation of this game, big spike na onto the side of NXP just within less than 5 minutes, 4 minutes on the rotation mula dito sa tower dive na to. Dito ng Jin na nag-ult under turret, tapos Herald, tapos Cloudrick. We are seeing
Yes.
NXP once again taking that money in the bank in cash. 10k gold lead, tol, against
Oo.
ENC. And ang ganda na sana ng start ng ENC. Pero yung NXP kasi, ito characterize talaga ng team nila. Ganda ng momentum, momentum talaga. Ultimate na ginawa. And there's also the kick. Finisher din na ginawa dito ng ating Camille. Maring Camille. Tapos dash out. Tapos layo dito. Sonic Wave. Yung Dragon dumaan lang. And let's see here, dahil wala nang backup na magagawa dyan. And after all of that, after 1 kill, it would be of the misfortune finishing up the turret up top. Uy, di pa tapos, Leoric.
Di pa tapos. Di pa tapos, man. It's gonna be a clash right here, but it's right here. It is gonna be the blue team though. Alright, napakababa na po ng Alistar dito. Alistar is gonna die. Good ultimate right there by the MF. They are gonna be killing the Violet. Sila tapos. Body's going down right here. Jin is gonna go down. Sol is gonna be focused. Man, Sol is in a lot of pain right now.
He's buying time.
Sol,
Pero that's it.
and
Yeah. It's gonna be the Baron then para sa side dito ng NXP. Just leads after leads when they see a lead against ENC here. And that's what makes them a great team.
yes, man. NXP on a 15 gold lead. Very huge cushion right here. And they're not done yet. Kinukuha na po nila ang Baron dito. And I think this is gonna cause the base of the Red to be destroyed. I think isang turret, at least isang inhibitor turret makukuha dito ng next play because of this Baron bomb.
Top situation, men. Top situation
Alright.
para dito sa... Kanina, init ng laban no? Pero, ayan, kinambak talaga. Ito may konting comeback na nangyari sa NXP. Nakakita talaga sila ng opener dito against ENC. Now, it's gonna be a 2v1 situation na naman. Ito naman yung classic na bilis na ginagawa ng mga taga-NXP. No reposte pa si Squishy. Pero yun nga, Squishy nga talaga. Pag flash out, walang narating. Let's see here, as another fight is very much willing to take by NXP. O, diba? Dumating si Jushi. Let's go here. Where's the follow-up? EZU, WamiU. Hindi mapipigilan ang pag-push dito ng mga membro ngayon ng NXP. They're gonna be pushing down the inhibitor turret. Rose sa bullet arms may pinakagilid habang makakuha pa rin nila yung inhibitor turret without any minion waves as they finish shop. Kaya, hindi na nga kinakayang madepensahan itong base ng ENC and NXP or even knocking very close to the Nexus turret. Grabe na to.
Grabe, NXP, man. They are playing this tactically, man. They know if they're already low, they still have tiny bit of juice that they can squeeze out on the push. They are doing it, man. Si Vi could not catch a break even if she died under the Nexus. Akala Vi mabubuhay na siya, man. Hindi pa tapos ang next play. They still got the Vi even under the Nexus. But there it is. Isang inhibitor turret did go down on the red side. Pero hindi tapos dito sila. Chule is right here. It's gonna be 1v3 in the champions right here.
Walang plus si Chule, ha? Oy, Chule! Na-Chule ngayon.
Nachuloy yan.
Nachulo yan. Asim eh. Tumatwerk-twerk pa yung Gragas eh. 4v5, let's see here. Pinokos yung Alistar na maalam na. Sinama mo na rin yung Bay. Uy, Fiora ulit. 3v1. Anong bago? Let's see here. Kita mo mismo na maalam. Tatlong membro dito ng Team ENC. And now members of NXP. Gusto na nila mag-prepare sa next tourney. And they will go for the push here. Down at the base, waiting for the minion wave. They can even ignore the Jin. Ginawa ni Jin. 4 yung bala niya. 4 rin yung ult. Dive in. And I think that is the game, ladies and gentlemen, because your champion para dito sa next Play Wild Rift Open ay wala ring iba, sarili nilang turna, sarili nilang champion. Next Play Esports.
Alright. Sinarili nila, no? Parang binigyan lang sa sarili. Valiant effort.